We are AGLAM Partners, innovating the environment. Our team is composed by the researchers. Alvaro, Gabriele, Alina, Lana, Mariana producers. Alvaro, Lana, Mariana, Alina, Gabriele image audio. Researcher, Alvaro, Lana, Mariana, Alina, Gabriele. AGLAM Partners presents The Climate Clock is Ticking. Volkswagen's commitment to precision and sustainability in a changing world. In September 2015, the US Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, accused Volkswagen of using software in their diesel vehicles designed to manipulate emissions tests. The fallout from this scandal was significant. Indeed, the Sustainability Council faced numerous challenges in 2016, while attempting to transform the German automaker into a world-leading provider of sustainable e-mobility. This case study highlighted the automotive industry's unique challenges in decarbonization, demonstrating that process emissions cannot be fully eradicated without discovering alternative methods for processing raw materials. Following the scandal, VW approached us for assistance. We crafted a strategy for Volkswagen's sustainability team that provides practical insights on how precision economy principles can aid in achieving sustainability objectives. Our vision is to position Volkswagen as a global pioneer in sustainable, precision-driven automotive manufacturing, leading the way in digital innovation to address the challenges of limited resources and environmental accountability. By integrating cutting-edge technology with sustainability goals, Volkswagen can establish itself as a standard-bearer for eco-efficient, robust manufacturing, taking a leading role in both innovation and environmental stewardship. Navigating the future, Volkswagen's strategic adaptation in the precision economy. The RSA's 4 Futures of Work framework, developed by Benedict Dellert, Rich Mason and Fabian Wallace-Stevens in 2019, offers a forward-thinking model that forecasts different scenarios for the UK's labour market over the next decade. This framework is particularly valuable for examining how the data-focused automotive manufacturing industry may adapt to the demands of a fast-evolving, technology-driven environment. The precision economy, as defined by Dellert, Mason and Wallace-Stevens 2019, imagines a future characterized by moderate technological progress bolstered by a comprehensive network of sensors. This will enable companies to collect and analyze intricate data regarding individuals, objects and their surroundings. This vision is especially pertinent for Volkswagen as it corresponds with the company's efforts to restore trust and improve transparency following the Dieselgate scandal. The focus on data accuracy and ethical clarity in the precision economy directly responds to Volkswagen's challenges in regaining consumer trust and maintaining regulatory compliance. For Volkswagen, embracing the principles of the precision economy involves leveraging real-time data and IoT technologies to enhance manufacturing processes, minimize waste, and boost vehicle performance. This strategy furthers sustainability objectives and establishes a transparent, data-oriented framework essential for preventing future ethical issues akin to Dieselgate. By implementing IoT sensors and real-time analytics, Volkswagen can increase the accuracy of its environmental impact reports, actively satisfying regulatory requirements and restoring confidence among stakeholders. Climate risks and corporate responsibility in precision. Manufacturing climate change poses significant disruptions, with rising temperatures, resource scarcity, and extreme weather events increasingly destabilizing these systems. By enhancing transparency and data accuracy, Volkswagen can position itself as a proactive player in a precision economy that values regulatory alignment and environmental stewardship. March 2021. Environmental, social, and governance (ESG) standards are increasingly critical for securing investor confidence. Institutional theory suggests that public expectations and governmental regulations push companies towards sustainable practices. Investors are now favoring businesses with strong ESG commitments, and Volkswagen must meet these standards to attract capital and safeguard its reputation. The Dieselgate scandal underscored the risks associated with data manipulation and lack of transparency. In a precision economy where data integrity is paramount, Volkswagen's adoption of IoT and real-time analytics could prevent similar ethical lapses. By focusing on transparent and accurate data use, Volkswagen can rebuild stakeholder trust, demonstrate regulatory compliance, and reinforce its commitment to responsible manufacturing. connectivity means far more than the connection between people and the vehicle. The connection between vehicles themselves will also continue to develop. More Internet of Things, IoT devices, are already in use. And in the case of Volkswagen, manufacturers are always improving innovative solutions to offer customers a fully integrated, highly individual vehicle that takes the driving experience in the connected car into new dimensions. For instance, the technical update of the Volkswagen Passat now enables the vehicle to be fully managed by the smartphone. But regardless, the relevance of MIB3 modular infotainment matrix has been demonstrated by the integration of smartphone apps into the Volkswagen system. The company needs to look over. Our SWOT analysis is strengths. 1. Strong investment in electric vehicle, EV, and digital transformation. Volkswagen has committed €73 billion over the next 5 years towards electrification, hybrid powertrains, and digital technology. Among these, €27 billion will go towards digitization, and €35 billion will go towards battery electric vehicles. This is crucial for competing in an efficiency and sustainability-focused, precision-driven economy. 1. Our strategic commitment to the circular economy. Volkswagen has demonstrated a strong commitment to the circular economy by establishing a battery recycling plant in Salzgitter, Germany. This facility aims to recycle up to 95% of battery components, significantly reducing waste and conserving valuable materials. Volkswagen is also exploring its use of micro RFID technology to enhance resource tracking and transparency across its operations, as demonstrated in its Poznan plant, where RFID tags monitor reusable metal containers for real-time visibility in component handling, Manifold 2020. This approach improves operational efficiency while supporting sustainable practices by tracking materials from extraction to recycling. Such initiatives reflect Volkswagen's forward-thinking stance in aligning with EU resource transparency regulations, offering a proactive solution to the variable expenses and availability of critical materials like cobalt, Lucia Eton 2020. 1. Strong brand and consumer trust. By utilizing IoT and blockchain technologies, the company now tracks and publicly shares data on material sourcing, ensuring ethical procurement and sustainable recycling practices. This transparent approach is essential, as research indicates that 60% of consumers are more likely to trust companies that openly share supply chain data. Accenture 2023. Weaknesses. 1. Challenges in modernizing legacy systems for precision economy requirements. Volkswagen traditional manufacturing setup poses challenges when integrating modern precision technologies. Updating these systems for digital readiness can be costly, potentially consuming 5 to 10% of a company's annual revenue. 1. Governance issues post-Dieselgate impacting stakeholder confidence. Volkswagen needs a stronger data governance framework. Real-time data tracking and predictive analytics bring new complexities, requiring strict rules to ensure use and transparency. Without clear governance, Volkswagen risks losing the trust it has worked to restore. Volkswagen must establish clear policies on data use, including measures to prevent misuse and maintain data integrity. 1. Dependence on vulnerable supply chains for critical raw materials. Volkswagen's reliance on external suppliers for lithium and cobalt places it at high risk. The World Economic Forum has projected that climate change could disrupt over 50% of global supply chains by 2030, World Economic Forum. While recycling partnerships may help reduce dependency, this approach has limitations. Recycling may not meet the volume of materials needed for large-scale production, and reliance on secondary materials could lead to quality inconsistencies. Additionally, Volkswagen's competitors are already securing exclusive agreements with suppliers, which could further strain Volkswagen's access to essential raw materials. Opportunities. 1. Using digital twins to transform manufacturing. Ataran and Selik 2023. Research suggests that companies using digital twin technology could reduce their maintenance costs by 15%. Volkswagen has the potential to optimize materials recovery from each vehicle by transitioning from a linear to a circular manufacturing model using digital duplicates. For example, Volkswagen could implement proactive battery health reports which would enhance customer satisfaction and support sustainability objectives by monitoring the degradation of electric vehicle batteries. This would be achieved through responsible recycling. 1. Improving transparency and responsiveness in supply chains by integrating IoT. Volkswagen can monitor materials from origin to production by integrating IoT sensors throughout the supply chain. According to PwC, the efficacy of resources can be enhanced by 30% through the implementation of IoT. In addition to streamlining operations, this technology would also function as a potent marketing tool, demonstrating Volkswagen's dedication to ethical procurement. Volkswagen's early implementation of IoT positions it favorably for future compliance as the EU transitions to more strict supply chain transparency requirements. European Parliament 2021. Threats: lack of resources, price change, and competition. The International Energy Agency predicts that as EV usage increases, the trend of rising pricing for EV elements like lithium and cobalt will continue. IEA 2022. Long-term supply agreements are being secured by competitors like Tesla, which may expose Volkswagen to price variations and supply constraints. As Tesla is securing long-term supply chain partnerships and advancing solid-state battery technology, giving it an advantage. Xiao et al. 2022. Volkswagen should investigate alternate battery technologies such as solid-state batteries, which are less dependent on limited resources, or invest in recycling programs to recover these materials to combat this issue. Gillam's solution in the table displayed it purposes a digital twin implementation through 3 phases to achieve our sustainable target in a precise time period. Volkswagen's alignment with the precision economy provides a clear path for rebuilding its reputation post-Dieselgate while driving sustainable growth.